Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 biggest pet peeved areas that I have. You know, the things that I feel like are something that I must clean and get it off my list because it will drive me crazy if I don't tackle it. So the very first thing that drives me insane in my house is fingerprints on my doors. So I'm using a microfiber cloth as well as some foaming glass cleaner, and I'm getting these doors spotless, which makes me enormously happy. Now, I will tell you that in the spring and summertime, I do a Dawn vinegar hot water solution, and I use a squeegee, which works perfectly when it's warmer, but it is still cold outside. So at the present, I just use the foaming glass cleaner, and it works in a pinch. I love having my doors spotless, especially my front door. I feel like it is the first thing that people see, obviously, when they walk into my house. And I feel like the first thing you see is how they judge the rest of my house. Now, I'm cleaning the inside of my door, and I don't know if any of you have ever seen one of these. I'm sure it has a name, but it's like this little clip-on screen that goes onto a window of a door. I'm going to show you guys how this works. But see, you can open the blind. It's inside, and you can adjust it. Absolutely love that. My dad installed that for me. It has kept me from having to have like a curtain on the door or a blind that is, kind of banging with the door as it opens and shuts. It makes a very clean, precise look at the front door area. And yes, I'm in love with it. Everybody that comes in says, "Oh, I've never seen one of these before." I will tell you though, they are ridiculously priced, but as far as like upgrading my front door, it has certainly made an appearance difference and also made a difference in keeping my door looking nice and tidy. Now I am tackling my back door. Last year, within the last couple of years, we have gotten new doors put on our house, and it has made a huge difference on the aesthetics of our home, and I am so happy with those purchases. Now, the second thing that drives me absolutely crazy is ceiling fans. So, I have my microfiber cloth, which is obviously a different microfiber cloth, and I am just using hot water and pine sol solution that is in a spray bottle, and I am going to go to town on these ceiling fans. Now, I do not know why my house has so many ceiling fans, but it is one of my biggest things to keep it clean. And so I get up there and I wipe out every nook and cranny of each of the ceiling fans, and I tackle the blades first, and then the top, and then the little like bulb area, the globes that hang around the bulbs. I make sure that those get clean. Now this is ceiling fan number 2, which is in the entryway of my home. So we are tackling it. You're going to see here in a minute, I'm going to tackle the ceiling fan in the dining room here shortly. So we're definitely a ceiling fan house. I don't think that all glass cleaners are created equal, so I'm showing you there the one that I prefer to use. I see it in pretty much any of the stores. I've seen it at Target, I've seen it at Walmart, I've even ran into it at Aldi. But the next thing that I have to tackle at least weekly are the mirrors. And we have a lot of mirrors in our home, but I love the way a mirror will actually not only accentuate an accent wall in a room, but it will actually make your room appear to be larger. And I absolutely love that aspect of a mirror. So yes, so now I am going to be tackling and cleaning the mirrors. If you have been watching me for any time at all, I bet you probably could have guessed this one, because I know that in a lot of my cleaning videos, I am sharing with you the disgusting look of the inside of my oven. I just recently made some stuffed peppers that overflowed and burned in the bottom. And I have to say, in this video, I am completely out of the pink stuff or oven cleaner. So perfection is not going to happen today. However, tidying up the oven is going to happen. So I'm just using Dawn hot water and a scrub mommy, and I'm just going to give the inside of the oven the best scrub that I can give it. I'm also going to grab a razor blade. This is the one that I use. And if you have anything stuck on, like glass or especially the oven, it works in a pinch of getting things loose. I love when my oven is really good and clean. Now, one thing that I have recently added in the last few years is that on Amazon, I ordered a oven liner. And I never really realized how wonderful one of these things can be. But an oven liner helps prevent you from having to stick your head in the oven and scrape the bottom of the oven. It'll actually catch anything that is in there. And that is a wonderful thing. If I can find a link for the one that I purchased or one like it, I will link it down below for anybody who is interested. The last thing on my list is my carpet on my stairs. As you can see, every little speck shows up on my carpet because it is a dark colored burgundy. And this is the last thing I'm going to tackle. It takes a few minutes to vacuum, but when it's done, it makes me absolutely happy. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I hope you feel motivated to clean your 5 spaces. And I will be talking to you all again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.